Hi there, I want to give you a brief demonstration of my Band of Brothers/Sisters template. On this vertical template, of course, it can be either for guys or girls. There's an option for a grass field and a wrestling mat, or an option for a hardwood floor and ice. For either of these, for example, this one, the grass, can be used for any activity that's played on grass. So soccer, field hockey, lacrosse, football, or baseball and softball. The hardwood floor can be used for anything that's played indoors on the gym. So it can be used for dance, cheerleading, it could be basketball, it could be volleyball, or any other activities you think of, including that hockey and ice skating. One awesome option that all our vertical templates have are these two teal guides that run vertically that show you where it may crop in different sizes. So you don't have to design multiple different sizes for different size prints. This will enable you to print anything from a 4x6, 5x7, 8x10s, even up to a 24x30 poster, or this easily reproduced as large banners. So these two teal guides are exactly where a 3-foot by 5-foot banner would crop to. Just keep everything inside these guides and send this whole file to print, and any standard sizes will reproduce great. Let's take a look into how easy this is to modify. So for example, I have my extracted subject here already. I'm going to go in and shut off my sample subject and then drag and drop my new subject into the template. Then I simply size them to the size I want. So I'm going to hit Control or Command T, figure out how large I want them, and hit Enter. Now, of course, we can change the colors on any of these elements or move things around. So let's look into modifying the rest of this template. Let's change the color first. So I'm going to change the color of the background. There's a full tutorial included with the template that goes further in depth into modifying this template. Change the subject's name. Let's change that color of the name. Let's go with a bright orange. And let's change Washington softball to Lions baseball. Hit Enter. Of course, I can change that color or text if I want to. All the fonts are automatically included when you use CC. If you're not using a CC, there are links to easily download the fonts. It could be as simple and easy as that to modify this background. There are lots of other elements I can modify, so I can move the lights, for example, and add a soccer net if I wanted to, or I could shut that off. And if I have, for example, in this one, if I had a wrestler, I could add the wrestling mat and a scoreboard into it. Just like all our templates, this template has tons of options as far as printing sizes and backgrounds and modifying it to make your subject look amazing. Hope you enjoy it.